There are moments when God doesn't heal you by comforting you first. He heals you by revealing the pain you buried, the wounds you hide, the truths you ran from. And it feels uncomfortable at first. But dear friend, it is the beginning of your emotional resurrection. Welcome to Deep Faith and Psychology Conversations. Today, we open episode 1 with a truth that transforms lives. God sometimes breaks what you built in your silence so He can restore what you lost in your soul. Let me begin with a story. There was a woman named Elena. She was the strong one, the reliable one, the one who kept saying, "I am fine," even when her heart was cracking quietly. Years of holding it together finally crashed when she woke up one morning and couldn't stop crying. Her body shut down. Her emotions spilled out like water breaking through a dam. She felt weak, embarrassed, and confused. But in therapy, her counselor told her something profound. This is not a breakdown. This is your soul finally speaking after years of being silenced. And in prayer, God whispered something even deeper. I am not punishing you. I am revealing you so I can restore you. Psychology tells us that the body keeps the score. Every emotion you suppress becomes stored in your nervous system. Every truth you avoid becomes tension in your chest. Every unresolved wound becomes exhaustion, irritability, or emotional collapse. Avoidance feels safe at first, but over time it becomes a prison. Your mind can pretend, but your nervous system never forgets. This is why God sometimes allows emotional shaking, not to shame you, but to bring to the surface what needs healing. The scriptures are filled with moments when God heals by exposure. For Adam, He asked, "Where are you?" Not because God didn't know, but because Adam needed to confront where he truly was. And then we have Hagar. God tells her, "Return and face what you're running from." Before He blessed her, He first addressed her wounds. And then we have David. He said, "Search me, O God, and know my heart. Reveal any anxious thoughts." David asked God to expose him because exposed wounds heal faster. Dear friend, God reveals to restore. God uncovers to rebuild. God exposes what you avoid so He can heal what you carry. Maybe that's where you are right now. Maybe God is touching the part of your life you thought was already settled. Just maybe He's allowing old memories, old feelings, old disappointments to rise again. This is not a setback. This is a spiritual surgery. When a surgeon cuts, it's not to harm you. I mean, when a surgeon cuts, it is not meant to harm you, but to heal what is hidden. God is doing the same with your emotions. Here are gentle 5 steps you can begin today. Name what you feel, because healing begins when honesty begins. Sit with God in stillness for at least 5 minutes daily. Let His presence settle your nervous system. Stop explaining your pain. Start experiencing it, because feelings lose power when they are acknowledged. Ask the Holy Spirit, what are you showing me about myself? Seek community or counseling, because healing accelerates in connection. You don't have to do this alone. Dear friend, I want you to know that God is not breaking you. He is rather unburying you. He is helping you meet the version of yourself He knew all along. And as you walk this journey, may you feel His hands gently holding the pieces and hear His voice saying, I am restoring everything the silence tried to steal from you. I welcome you to your healing. I welcome you to your becoming. And I welcome you to this episode 1. Thank you for watching. If this message touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe for more episodes. Thank you.